So that's all that's left in the package. That's on there. I went ahead and I put the queen in there in between two frames, and this is the inner cover. Put the inner cover on there. There's a hole in the center here, and they should all just work their way down in there. I'll let it sit for about an hour or two and come back and check on it, and they should all find their way into there, because that's where the queen is, and they'll start working on that hard candy, that sugar in the queen cage, and release her, and they should be well established then.